Hi everyone, good afternoon, good morning. Welcome you again to the Forexhunt YouTube channel. And my name is Rohan. And by profession, I am a DU alumni. I have completed my BCom. So in this particular video, as I'm having keen interest in Forex trading, this video is only for those guys who are struggling in this market to achieve a concept, to master a concept, to master their trading, to earn some profits. See, profits are accumulative results of what you are giving in the market, your practice, your perseverance, and which kind of assets, which kind of currencies you are trading, you want to trade, and what kind of theory you want to master. So, this is not a quick rich game, okay? It needs a lot of patience. And personally, it took me 3 years to master these concepts, and it will be easier for you to start learning with my YouTube channel. And so many videos are uploaded on the YouTube. You can watch and enjoy all the videos, and subscribe to this channel if you are new, because every day I will post something extraordinary from my point of view that will help you in building a career in this forex industry. So let's move. And if any query comes into your mind, any type of query regarding gold, forex, currencies, you can ask me, leaving aside the crypto market. Okay, so let's start, guys, while we are waiting for. So this topic is all about order block, and you may have heard it many times in smart money concept, in some kind of other theories also. In indicators, you also have understood what is order block. There are some kind of indicators which help you to what we can say, to mark order blocks, fair value gaps, imbalances. All this happens in this market, but trust me, guys, whatever I am going to teach you is different. Okay, you don't need any kind of indicator, you don't need any kind of help, and you don't need to recall what is the master value, what is fair value, imbalance. These kind of things you do not need to master or remember, recall. It's simple, and I am making it more simple for you guys. So firstly, I will tell you what is an order block. So order block is an area, guys. Okay, order block is an area. For example, this is an area where sellers in the market are active. They are active here. They want to place a sell entry here in this area. Why? Because you can see, you can't see, but I can see in here is an order block. Because here is a, in this area, there is an imbalance. In this area, there is an imbalance. No need to worry, guys. I am keeping it simple. Okay, just focus for 5 minutes. Your concept will be clear. The best solution how to mark order blocks, I'm going to teach you within 5 minutes. You can apply this on your charts. Don't mix this concept with any other theory. Okay, this is so simple. Understand? This is an imbalance area here. You need not worry, and you don't need to know what is an imbalance, what is a fair value gap. Okay, so just focus here. This is an order block, and how to mark order block, come to the live chart. So guys, I have uploaded some videos in my YouTube channel where I have taught you what is engulfing. Okay, this is particularly engulfing candle, engulfing cell. You may have heard many a times in the market that's a red candle eating the previous blue candle. Okay, a red candle eating the previous blue candle properly, completely with its body. That is an engulfing cell, a bearish engulfing, and the opposite is bullish engulfing. So right now we are marking a sell order block. Okay, guys. So this is an H4 order block. Okay, so here is a sell order block. You can Watch again, this is a sell order block. I am writing it again. So I am marking this order block. Okay, a sell order block. How I mark this? Using engulfing sell area. Simple, don't complicate it. I used this candle and I monitored this candle eating the previous candle. Okay, to understand engulfing, different types of engulfing, there are 4 to 5 types of engulfing. Okay, means there are 4 to 5 types of order block. Simple, 4 to 5 types of engulfing means 4 to 5 types of order block. To know the different kinds of engulfing, there are so many videos uploaded on my YouTube channel. You can watch there perfectly. And guys, I promise this will be a life-changing concept. Okay, life-changing concept. You do not need to use any kind of indicator. Focus here. I have monitored, I have marked engulfing cell. This is an order block, H4 order block. Now I am moving to H1, and here in H1 you can see again here is an order block, H1 order block. Okay guys, this you have to take the fresh order block. Okay, understood? Now coming to M15, same area, just keep marking the engulfing cell. Now they see here is an order block M15 in the top. At the top of the candle there is an order block. I am marking it again. This is an order block, simple. Okay, now I am moving again to M5 because this is a big area and you need to start with smaller areas. If you find here, there are 2 order blocks. One is here, and on the top, okay, on the top, firstly I am marking this M5 order block. Okay, this is a 20 pip area, that means 15 pips area. If market comes here before US session, okay, you can place entry with a tight stop loss. Okay, and you can also keep a 20 pip stop loss from 1872. Okay, clear? If market comes before US session, you can place an entry here of sell with a 20 pips stop loss from the top of the corner, 1872 plus 20 pips. Clear guys? And from the, in case market comes here in US session, because you can see the engulfings here, in this area, M15 area. Again I am showing you, this engulfing is tested engulfing, means the engulfing formed and the market, the third candle touched the order block. This is not a fresh engulfing. Okay, in this area one green candle is engulfed by 1 2 3 red candles, but still the engulfing area formed, the engulfing area order block is touched by the 4th candle. So this is not a perfect M5 order block, but this is perfect order block because one green candle is engulfed by 1 or 2 red candles and it fall down sharply, but this is not tested, this is fresh. So if market comes here in before US session, you can enter with a small lots, okay, with the proper risk money management. And in case market comes near the zone 1870 in US session, wait for this area, 1873 1878. This is big, but guys, trust me, this works. You can mark it on your chart, practice it, precise it. Okay, what I have taught you, H4 engulfing cell to find an H4 order block, then move to H1, then M15, M5. Okay guys, if any type of question comes into your mind regarding this only, You can ask me in the comment section. I will update you. And this is a masterclass for how to find order block using engulfing, simple method. Clear, guys? Now let's find one H4 order block, a fresh H4 order block for a buy. For example, let's delete all this. This is an H4 order block for buy. Okay, this area is perfect H4 order block, guys. 1 2 3 3 candles engulfed the red candle and it made a order block. Now this is an H4 order block. Now moving to H1, guys, you can find here this is a H1 order block, which is only 20 pips, hardly 25 pips. This, guys, what is this? Approx it is 1910 and 1911.25, means 15 pips area. So you can buy here. You can buy here, guys. This is an H1 order block. You can buy here with proper money management if market comes here before US session or even in US session, because this is an H1 order block, so powerful. Okay, it's 20 pips area. It's powerful, guys. It is H1 order block, precise from H4 order block. Okay, guys, so this is H1 order block. You can buy here within stop loss 30 pips above, because it is H1 order block. 30 pips below 1909. Okay, guys, any kind of question? Now move to M15, to the same area. See, here is a fresh order block here in M15 area. If you are having any kind of queries regarding RR, you can ask me in the comment section or watch my previous videos. I have uploaded everything there. So this is an M15 order block. You can see the results. When market came, see what happened. This area when touched and it flat 40 pips. This area came from the bottom, it also gave 30 pips. So this is a type where you can analyze, you can predict your market volatility, okay, and trust in the process. Guys, I have made very simple steps. Trust me. Watch the other videos and try to master this concept, and any question you are having in your mind, you can ask me for free. Ask in the comment section, watch all the videos, and trust me, you will find it very, very, very interesting. So practice, precise it, and let me know in the comment section if you are having any kind of queries, and subscribe this channel if you are new, so that you can watch my other videos also and keep updated yourself. Thank you, guys. See you again.